Hi, I'm Derek Furr, Product Application Specialist for small track-type tractors. Today, I want to introduce you to the Cat Fire Suppression Dozer. Fire dozers are often used to put a control line or fire break around the flames of a fire to remove vegetation or fuel that would spread the fire. The Cat Fire Suppression Dozer is available in D1, D2, and D3 dozer models and takes on the demands of firefighting and prevention with factory-installed equipment designed to help protect the operator and the machine from harsh applications and environments. In addition to the standard next generation dozer features, our fire dozers come standard with front work light guards, protect lights from damage. Lights also work on 3 independent circuits, so you control which lights you want to illuminate the work area. Screens and sweeps protect the operator and machine from branches and other debris. The exhaust pipe is secured to the sweep for protection. Internal releases on side screens allow for easy exit in case of emergency. External hinged brush screen releases for easy cleaning. Extra guards provide even more protection from hazards on the job site. An extreme duty bottom guard protects the bottom of the machine, and a hinged radiator grill guard provides easy access for cleaning excess debris. Fire protection sheathing on the engine harness, fuel lines, and critical electrical wiring and fire sleeve covers on coolant lines, diesel exhaust fluid or DEF lines, heater hoses, and hydraulic lines ensure they are free from damage. And the air intake filter also has fire arresting elements, safeguarding it from fire damage. Finally, a steel hydraulic tank, stainless steel fuel tank, and manual shut-off fuel valve provide extra protection. All of these features are in addition to the standard Cat Next Generation Dozer. Features including low sloping hood line, improves visibility to the worksite, allowing you to better access the area from the cab. Spacious cab offers generous legroom and a fully adjustable air suspension seat, and an air conditioning option, guaranteed comfort for you throughout the workday. Joystick control provides intuitive steering, direction and speed control, and power turn provides optimum maneuverability. The standard auto-reversing fan purges debris from the radiator and enclosures, while the turbine pre-cleaner improves engine filter life by removing large debris particles. And group ground level service and maintenance points provide easy access when you need it. Cat small dozers also offer up to 15% more performance, 10% more fuel efficiency, and 10% lower cost of ownership to get more work done at less cost to you. If you'd like to learn more about Cat Fire Suppression Dozers or any of the Cat small dozer lineup, contact your Cat dealer today.